I'm Art Lee, Associate Professor of Information Systems Technology. I've been teaching at Laurel Ridge now for 38 years and am currently the program lead of the IST program.
Hi, my name is Matthew Hansel. I'm a professor at Laurel Ridge. I had a focus on educating the customers, which then pushed me into wanting to educate the students on what they're going to expect in cybersecurity or IT.
The main intent of the IST degree is for a student to be able to acquire the skills that would make them employable right upon graduation at Laurel Ridge, through the degree and also through the career study certificates. The other programs we have at the college, such as cybersecurity and computer science, tend to be more of a transferable degree. The student taking the computer science courses are going to take a series of general education courses that any four-year university would require, but they also get a sampling of computer science courses as well. The cybersecurity program actually is twofold. A student could gain employment through the cybersecurity degree in itself, but they also could transfer to specific universities such as George Mason University. We have a transfer agreement with them through our cybersecurity program.
What industry is looking for in a student coming into an IT career is somebody that first off has great communication skills. We all think of IT as a bunch of people that sit behind a desk and don't communicate. Well, that's a fallacy. We need to be able to communicate. So somebody that knows how to have interpersonal relations, communicate with somebody one-on-one or in a group setting, know how to use email and write properly. That's one of the first things. They have to have the technical skills. Our programs here at Laurel Ridge offer those technical skills, at least at the entry level. As Art may have mentioned, we also want to encourage people to start at the beginning. You're going to start as a support technician, an analyst. You're going to look at the logs. You're going to report the information to the higher-ups to provide them the tools or the information they need to mitigate the issue.
A typical class in the IT program will definitely include hands-on activities. We believe that students learn the best by doing. Any career in the IT field is going to require attention to detail and to not necessarily to know all the answers, but to know how to find the answers and know sometimes who to ask is the best way to approach it.
As part of your IT career, to advance, you're going to have to continue to learn. You're going to have to up your skills all the time. So while Laurel Ridge provides you those skills, you're going to have to continue to learn as well. So you can take what you learned at Laurel Ridge, you can take how you learned to learn and use that to advance your career. You have to continue to skill up. You're going to want to get certifications. Laurel Ridge provides you the basics, but depending upon where you're going to be employed, you may have to get certain certifications that are specific to the industry or the company you're working for.